Okay, let's draw the lip. First, draw the sketch with 2M and a curved line. Then, draw contour lines to get 3D form of the lip. These contour lines are also important for shading later, so be careful to draw these lines correctly. Add a new layer below the sketch and add base skin color. I use soft airbrush for shading and coloring. Then add a new layer above it and choose any color you like. This time I choose pink to add the base color to lip. Adjust the brush size as you need to coloring of the lip. Then move color to down and right to get dark saturated red to add the second layer of the lip. Okay. Then choose more dark red color to add the third layer of the lip. Okay, then add dark red color to the corner of the lip. After that, we use smudge tool and soft brush to smudge the lip along the contour lines. First, we smudge the lip from dark to light color. Adjust the brush size as you need. Okay, let's smudge the bottom lip along the contour lines from dark to light color. After that, smudge along the contour lines from light to dark color to evenly smudge in the lip. Then add darker shadow to the lip touch area. Then draw a little bit shadow below it. After that, let's draw the lip crack. Draw the lip crack along the contour lines of the lip. Don't draw it evenly because it makes the lip design look boring. So draw the lip crack from left to right randomly. Now let's draw the upper lip crack. Okay, now let's polish the lip. I use smudge tool again. This time I smudge from light to dark color. Okay, I will fast forward a bit. Now, add the dark color to occlusion area and the corner of the lip. Okay, now let's hide the sketch layer and draw highlight to the lip. Add a new layer for the highlights. I use soft brush to draw highlights. First draw the highlight to the V shape of the lip. Now draw the highlight along the contour lines of the lip. Adjust the brush size as you need. Upper lip of the highlight 10. For the lower lip highlight, I use hot air brush. Before adding highlight, let's draw the shadow to the lip with a soft air brush. Adjust the brush size as you need and draw some shadow to the lower lip. Okay, shadow done. Let's draw again the highlight with hot air brush to the lower lip. Again, draw the highlight along the contour line of the lip. If you want more white to highlight, press harder while you draw. Add highlight also beside the crack to look the crack deeper. And add highlight to the corner of the lip. Okay, here's the summary of how to draw lip.